Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the updated process of adding your gender to your Instagram profile. This is a great way to express your identity and connect with others in the community. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to take advantage of all the new features. Next, click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can make edits. Once you're on your profile, click on Edit Profile. This option is usually found right under your profile picture and bio. It's time to customize your profile further. Now look for the Gender option. Tap on it to see the available choices. Instagram offers a range of options including male, female, custom, or prefer not to say. Choose the one that best represents you. After selecting your preferred gender, make sure to click Done. This will save your changes and update your profile accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully added your gender to your Instagram profile. This small step can make a meaningful impact in how you present yourself online. Remember, Instagram is all about authenticity and inclusivity, so don't hesitate to express who you are. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.